If you've ever peeled a soft-boiled egg only to find a chalky yolk or a runny mess, this is the video you've been waiting for. I'm going to show you how to make the perfect soft-boiled egg every time. Jammy, golden yolks, zero guesswork. Let's go. You're going to need some eggs. And you're going to need a big container with a ton of ice and ice cold water in it. This is for our ice bath. As soon as our water is rapidly boiling, we're going to put these eggs in and we're going to pull them out at exactly 7.5 minutes. So I just use something like this to just gently lower them in so I'm not creating little cracks. And we start our timer and we wait. Okay, so all we want to do is scoop these out. And we're just going to use a spoon and just top each one as you drop, right before you drop them into the ice bath. And we're just going to let these cool off. You can, to be honest, you can just leave these if you have something else to do in the day. Go about your business. You want to leave these probably for about 5 or 10 minutes. The smashing of the egg, you create that little divot, really helps. Lets a little water in there, and it really helps the shells just pop right off. Okay, let's take one of these little guys for a test drive. So hopefully if I've done my job correctly with this so-called foolproof method, the shell just pops right off without ripping the flesh of the egg. Would you look at that? Not bad. And by not bad, I mean perfect. Okay, moment of truth. It helps if the knife is wet. And that's exactly what we want. Perfectly little jammy yolks. The shell came off, and of course, we got to dig into this. A little flaky sea salt. So good. Thanks for watching my short little video here. Give them a try. Let me know how it goes.